出国那个 Schlemm 中午闹山起嘛。
On the 2nd of this month, we had a detailed review meeting on the progress of the construction of the new assembly building at Mount Indian. I'm also to inform you that I'm glad to see that the progress of work in spite of this pandemic, shortage of manpower, as most of them have left for their hometown. Even then, the work is still in a good pace. Our target date is, as we have already from time to time stated, that it should be sometime by end of this year. Well, we have to put a lot of efforts to see that, yes, we can do by that. So we had a detailed review on that day, and I'm to inform you that the civil work of the main building is more or less completed. The balance work, which is yet to be completed as far as civil work is concerned, is only the dome part, which is part of the main hall. We are waiting for the main structure, which is going to come, and all the truss and fabricated structure is already ready in Kolkata. A team of engineers from here also had visited the factory where these truss are being made, and it was found that everything was okay as per the specifications. We expect that the dome part of these consignments will be reaching Shillong sometime by end of this month, and then the installation of all this dome will take place. Now the rest is about partition of rooms, identifying all the respective rooms, right from the speaker's room, the chief minister's room, the minister's room, the conference hall, the canteen, all the rooms, allocation for all the offices of the assembly office, and also the other rooms which are related to the assembly. So even that part also is more or less done, and wiring, electrical works is going on. And then we had a review represented by a team of officers at different levels. It's from the police department, and where they have inspected the site and discussed at length about the security system. The other part is about the MEPDCL, where the installation of the substations will be at the main compound of the building, and where we have already identified the location of the substations, where the work will start immediately without any delay. We have also a team of PHE officials who will be doing and executing the works which are related to the water supply for the main building. Then we had a team from the forest department who will look after the plantations, where this also at the same time will start side by side for the main compound to beautify and putting all the plants in the right place. We had a team also from the NIC, from the state government, where we had thorough discussions with the consultants from Delhi, the design associates, where we have also identified and decided that the work will also start very soon. Now we have also a team of from the PWD department. So this also is basically is to monitor on a daily basis the progress of the entire project to ensure that everything is in line as per the bar chart as decided. So these are basically the updates which I can inform you as of now as far as the construction of the new assembly building. As far as concerned, I think it is with the PWD building, because most of the works have been taken up by the PWD building. Only few works which have not been included in the tender contract, that part only will come as additional items from the PWD building only, and few parts also will be taken up by the assembly office. Like from this assembly office, we have already called for a tender for the boundary fencing, and where we have decided that the work should be completed by this year end. My internal target is basically to see that we should have the budget session next year in that building. We are making all attempts to see that the first budget session will be in that main building. But there's no doubt at all why we should not complete, why we should not be, the village could not be completed by next year.